Welcome to a tutorial on the Arnold Innovation Center. To start, we will do membership applications, which will be found on arconductor.org. You will go to the Entrepreneurs tab, and from there, click on the Arnold Innovation Center tab. This will lead you to the Google form that you can fill out for membership application interest. Once you become a member, you will go through the onboarding process with our marketing and event coordinator, Miranda Daly. This will introduce you to Proximity, which is where you can do things such as reserving rooms. When you want to reserve a room, you will click on the Reservation tab, and then from there, it will ask you to pick a date and time that works best. Once you pick a date and time, as well as a room that works best for you, you will be prompted to the next screen, which will ask you to name the room or give a reason for booking the room, and then you will receive a confirmation. Along with the confirmation through Proximity, you will also receive an email confirming the date and time that you had chosen for your meeting room. Along with reserving rooms, you can also look at the membership directory on the Arnold Innovation Center Proximity website. To do so, you will go to the member directory, and at the top, you will see the conductor team, and towards the bottom, it will show all of the members of the Arnold Innovation Center. Next, we have member benefits. Going to the Benefits tab, you will be able to see all the amenities that you get as an Arnold Innovation Center member. These amenities range from free Wi-Fi, room reservation, a full operating kitchen, and discounts from businesses within the downtown Conway area. Lastly, we have upcoming events. Clicking on the Events tab will show you all the events happening at the Arnold Innovation Center. Thank you so much for watching.